Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are bringing best engineering technical projects for you. So let's begin.
Presently in the village, people use manual wood cutting method by using axe, chisel and other hand tools, but in this method, some drawbacks or problems are involved and they are, lot of human effort is required for cutting of wood, human posture is required in the bent position, so backbone problems are arising. Time required to cutting is depends on physical fitness and stamina of user. Majority senior peoples, ladies are having difficulties in cutting of wood for handicapped. Here, we have tried to introduce the wood log splitter, or we can say cutter. So let's begin.
We are helping hands for all types of engineering technical projects. Major design points considered. Mechanical mechanism is very simple. Manual efforts are eliminated. Saves the time. In the village, the proposed mechanism will work properly. Please do not forget like and share the video. Also give comments and feedbacks for our work. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos updates. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.